This is a Pypes SMB10 exhaust kit. It does not come with the mufflers. I reused my existing cherry bomb mufflers, but wanted to show you the installation. It's actually a pretty good kit. It fit well, but it does not come with the pipes from the headers back. Those are a Hedman kit. They were originally 5.5-inch offset, but you can trim them to line up in the openings in the cross member, and they worked out really well. I'm real happy with the kit. I did use the Summit band clamps. They clamp down pretty tight, but I tacked the pipes together underneath the band clamp, tacked them before I put the clamp on, just to keep them from moving. If the exhaust needs to come down, it's easy enough to cut the tacks loose. But if you were working on the floor, this would have been a real pain in the butt. But if you can weld and you have a place where you can get it up off the ground, the kit went on very easily, and it fits very well. I'm real happy with it. Plenty of clearance. These exhaust tips I picked up used, but as you can see, they I think they were 2.25-inch tips and shorties, and I'm using a 2.5-inch exhaust pipe. So I just cut the backs off the tips, brought the pipe right inside, and welded them. My welds are not that good. I'm not a very good welder, but I don't think they're coming apart. But I'm real happy with the kit. Worked out pretty well. I haven't ran it yet. I'm still waiting on some engine parts before I start the engine up. And as you can see, there's no guts in the transmission. I've just got it up there for place to mount the starter. Engine will be running here pretty quickly as soon as the mail delivers some parts. Thanks, guys.